Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's your boy Jonathan, and today we're going to look at how to sign up for Amazon Flex. The process is really easy to do. You might have a slight wait period depending on what market you're in. I personally had to wait a few weeks before I could actually get enrolled, but everything else about the sign up process was super easy, so I'm going to walk you through how to do that real quick here. Now, there are some vehicle requirements that you need to kind of check off before you're going to get started for Amazon Flex. And what you'll need is a mid-size sedan or larger, or a truck with an enclosed bed. In order to run the Amazon Flex app on your phone, you're going to need an Android version 6.0 or higher with 2 gigabytes of free RAM space, or an iPhone 5 or newer. You also need to be at least 21 years old to drive for Amazon Flex. So if you've met these requirements, then you're going to need to check if Amazon Flex is available in your city. You can check on their website. And if it's not, then you're going to be put on a waiting list. And even if it is available in your city, you might still be put on a waiting list. Amazon Flex has a limited number of drivers on the road, so they're not like Lyft and Uber where they're just pushing for everyone to get out there. They actually have limited space, and you might have to wait a while. For me, I had to wait a few weeks, and Amazon Flex had been available in Seattle previously. So once you've been approved to drive for Amazon Flex, you're going to need to download the app. And the best way to make sure that you have the most recent up-to-date version of the app is to actually email Amazon Flex support. And their email address is amazonflex-support@amazon.com. Now I'm going to provide links for both the iPhone Amazon Flex app and the Amazon Flex app for Android. But if you want, you can definitely double check with support and make sure you're getting the most up-to-date version. If you download the app for iPhone, you need to make sure that your phone is enabled to trust the app. To do this, go to Settings, General, and then click Profile Device Management. From there, click Amazon.com Inc. and then click Trust. Once you have the app enabled, you'll need to fill out a little bit of personal info. In order to get paid, you'll have to enter your tax info and your bank account info. You'll also need to pass a background check. This can take 2 to 5 days, but oftentimes it gets done a little bit faster than that. One final requirement before you start delivering for Amazon Flex is to watch a total of 19 training videos. Now it sounds like a lot, but these training videos are actually really quick. Most of them are 2 to 5 minutes, and they're super helpful. They tell you stuff that you actually need to know when you're delivering for Amazon Flex. Once you've finished with all these requirements, you can now set your availability to deliver for Amazon Flex. Now, Amazon Flex works in blocks, and you have kind of like a guaranteed payment during those blocks. So your base rate is going to be $18 an hour, but with tips included, you oftentimes make a lot more than that, so it's advertised to be $18 to $25 an hour. And once you've set your availability, a bunch of blocks will sort of pop up, and they're usually going to be 2 to 4 hour blocks, and you can accept these blocks and then start delivering packages. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to the channel Rideshare Panel and get all the latest news about the rideshare industry and all the latest referrals and bonuses that you can get when you sign up. Don't miss out.